Hey Robert, a possible wholesaler sent you these macadamias from Australia.
From the land down under?
Yep.
Isn't that what kangaroos eat?
That's all they eat.
Really?
No, I don't know what they eat.
Ellen, you're crazy. Get out of here.
You ready? It's the end of the workday. You ready to go home?
Yeah, I'm right behind you, babe.
Robert, I am hungry and I really just want to go home and spend time as a family.
I know, I do too. I'm so close. I know I can get lower. This is driving me mad, but we're almost there. I'll go home. Plus, I've got some macadamia nuts. I'm not that hungry anyways.
I do love me some macadamia nuts. All right, I guess we'll get going, but I love you.
Love you too. Love you, Rigel.
Hurry
Drive
home. We need to get some rest.
All right, I'll see you in a bit.
Okay.
Chief,
Well, how we do?
1,000 calories.
And?
Still 9.
Yeah, that's what I thought, man.
Yeah, I can't be mad about that though. 1,000 delicious shelf-stable calories and only 9 carbs? Ooh, macadamia nuts.
Yeah, you can have some. Tell you what, man, you've been here working hard all day. Let's just go home. We'll start fresh tomorrow.
You sure?
Yeah, positive.
Just don't forget, I got boxing tomorrow.
I'll be there, man. Don't you worry.
Nine carbs?
From Australia.
It's macadamia.
Are you nuts? You think you're gonna get 9 total carbs or less in a keto brick?
Yeah.
There's no way that you can do it. But wait, bro, I got you. Sugar alcohol. Everybody's doing it, and it doesn't even count.
Sugar alcohol? Inconceivable!
Are you nuts?
Nuts.
Love me some macadamia nuts.
Hey, don't worry about him. That stuff's not for everybody. But check this out. I've got tapioca, powdered cellulose, psyllium husk. Just watch the net carbs fall.
9 carbs? We're on 9. Ooh, macadamia nuts.
Nuts. Nuts. Nuts. Macadamia nuts.
You didn't.
Yes. Yes.
You can't.
No fillers. 8 grams of total carbs.
This is impossible. This can't be. This is madness.
Madness. This is Keto Brick!